Human today uses plenty types of sensor to make their life easier and economical way of living. One of this sensor are called motion sensor detector switch, that control any electrical loads by means of movement activation from any pets, peoples and other things that create movements. Almost all of this sensor was designed on indoor or outdoor installation, made by high-quality materials, safer to use, and environmental friendly. We have different sensors that used for some automation to our smart homes and industries today. Number 1. PIR, or Passive Infrared Motion Sensor. It is extremely sensitive sensor that can detect to any very small object movement, on which also give a false alarm because it cannot identify between persons, things and animals' movement. This sensor is good for security application to any short-range coverage of restricted areas due to fast activation and sensitivity. Number 2. AIR, or Active Infrared Motion Sensor. The sensor is also used in security system, on which have a long-range motion detection that can identify between people's, things, and animals' movements, due to its less sensitivity on temperature changes or ambient light compared to passive infrared motion sensor. Number 3. Microwave motion sensor. It is using a microwave signals on a certain frequency levels for moving object observation by means of the difference between reflected and emitted signals. This sensor is always affected to any electronic interference, on which required accurate calibration for best operation. Number 4. Dual technology, or hybrid motion sensor. It is the combination technology of infrared motion sensor and microwave motion sensor that works together in order to avoid any false alarm. Meaning that the infrared motion sensor uses infrared wavelength rays detection to body movement and heat, while the microwave sensor components will emit microwaves that travel more faster than infrared rays for additional valid confirmation to the detected movement. The performance of this sensor will also affected on cellular interference. Number 5. Ultrasonic motion sensor or active sonar sensor. This sensor will perceive the movements by sending 30 to 50 kHz high-frequency cone-shaped sound waves to analyze the time of rebounding on moving objects. The sensor is precise and not sensitive to ambient light, but it has a short range of detection. It is always affected on any noise compared to other types of motion sensors. Number 6. Vibration motion sensor. This sensor can detect any small vibration movements of a person. Number 7. Area reflective motion sensor. This sensor is using infrared rays from LED for measuring any distance movements of persons and object within the designated area of detection. Number 8. Door or window contact motion sensors. It is using a sensors and magnet from moving door or window. Number 9. Video motion sensor. These sensors are for camera use activity, in order to save a memory storage during a video recording. Number 10. Pet immune motion sensor. This sensor will ignores any small animal's weight. Meaning that the sensor has weight level range capacity for movement detection that detect only the above weight from animals like human weight. The common application of motion sensors are the following. Number 1. The motion sensor is used for saving electric energy and electric cost of bills in the unoccupied spaces, by automatically shutting off to any loads if nobody on the area. Number 2. The motion sensor can be used for security system like giving alert and notify when somebody entering on any restricted areas. Number 3. The motion sensor can be used also to any automation, like automatic ATM display, automatic door opener, automatic ticket gates, automatic faucet, automatic toilet flash, automatic doorbell alert, automatic light activation, automatic recording cameras, and any other industry's automation. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and follow to my channel, Knowledge Link Information.
And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need.